Hi friends, so today let us see some of the important abbreviations regarding or related to your AMV examination, Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector examination, and also the department in which you are going to join, that is the transport department. So while I was going through your previous papers 2015 your TSPSC as well as 2019 APPSC and also some previous papers also, I found that at least one or two questions are given on the abbreviations, and some of the institutions located related to transport department are where actually the places where they are situated. So we will discuss that in the next video, but today we are going to see some of the good abbreviations, important abbreviations related to your examination, AMV examination probably, and as also the transport department, right? So let us see the first one, ISO. ISO here means, the meaning of this is that International Organization for Standardization. What is that? International Organization for Standardization. Next is IEC. So IEC means International Electrotechnical Commission. Next, PUC, Pollution Under Control Certificate. You know that this is very much required for all the vehicles. So PUC means Pollution Under Control. Next, STA. STA means State Transport Authority. Next comes your RTA, Regional Transport Authority. Next comes your, what is this? Yes, GPS. GPS means Global Positioning System. So nowadays everything is GPS controlled, yes or no? All these vehicle monitoring, etc., right? So this is GPS means your Global Positioning System. ABS. So ABS here means Anti-Lock Braking System. Next comes your ITS. ITS, the abbreviation ITS stands for Intelligent Transport System, ITS. Next is your VANET. The VANET means, its full form abbreviation means VANET means Vehicular Ad Hoc Network. Vehicular Ad Hoc Network. Once again, let me repeat, Vehicular Ad Hoc Network. You can expect at least one or two questions from out of this one question. Okay, so we will build up like that. So we will see one by one bit, and we will reach probably 150 questions. Okay, so I have made 100 videos, more than 100. I have to upgrade my playlist. Actually, more than 100 videos according to your syllabus for your APPSC and TSPSC are there on my channel. Please go through that and benefit. Next is your V2V. So what is the abbreviation for V2V? Vehicle to vehicle. V2V means vehicle to vehicle. Next, V2I. So V2I here means vehicle to roadside units. Vehicle to roadside units. Next comes your HARS. What is HARS? So this is once again a good term, abbreviation related to your transport department, okay, or your department. The Highway Advisory Radio System, right? The Highway Advisory Radio System. Next question, CNG. What is this CNG? So I think CNG means compressed natural gas. These vehicles were first introduced in our national capital region or national capital Delhi. First time, probably long time back, maybe more than 20 years or 15 years, I don't remember correctly, but they were introduced first in your Delhi, right? Compressed natural gas. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Then comes your LPG. You know that, most of you know that LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, what is that? Liquefied petroleum gas. Next comes your, what is this? Let us see this. This is your TOS. What is the meaning of this TOS? TOS actually stands for, so let me check it. TOS stands for, just one second. TOS stands for, this is related to your operation of depots, yes, then your buses, etc. This is actually related to the trips, okay, the trips the buses make. TOS means trip operational sheet. TOS means trip operational sheet. Next comes your MOPS. So this is a must for any organization, your state transport organization, whether it is Maharashtra, Telangana, or your AP, the Andhra Pradesh, any state transport organization. So these are the normally abbreviations used. Trip operational sheet stands for your TOS, and your next one is monthly operational performance statement. This is called MOPS. What is this? Monthly operational performance statement. Next comes your, of course, these abbreviations, most of you know that anyhow. Let's once again see that. Okay, LMV, light motor vehicle, and of course there are some definitions also according to your Motor Vehicle Act, that also we will see probably in the coming videos. And then comes your HMV, heavy motor vehicle. So how they are defined, actually what is the differentiation, how they are differentiated, how they are defined actually. So what is the difference between your light motor vehicle and your heavy motor vehicle, and probably they are categorized or they are classified based upon their weight in tons. We will see that, okay, later. So next comes your MVA. This is a very famous abbreviation, you know that, most of you know that. This is your Motor Vehicle Act. Okay, bye. So today what we have done actually 20 abbreviations which are very important from your AMV examination point of view, and in the next video or probably or the coming videos you are going to see the abbreviations are very important organizations related to your road transport are located in many of the important places in our India. So where are they located, what are the abbreviations, let us see probably in our next video, right? Okay boys, so if you feel that all these videos, all my videos or probably my channel is helping you in improving your knowledge, or it is helping you in the preparation of your, in the smallest way, in the preparation for your AMV Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector examinations, please like, subscribe, comment and share, and also share among your groups and contacts. Once again, wish you all the best. Let us meet in a very excellent video in the next session. All the best.